catch this, use this and chop off it. Use that and cut off it. This is what I do for a living. It's Mike. You are hating on me? Me? Why? Stop hating, man. I'm a hard-working Jamaican guy. Why are you hating on me, man? This is me, Chris. Stop hating. Billy, how your screw fall out and your screw in it? Screw shouldn't fall out none at all, now, Billy.
Yeah, fall out too, me would do it and back out.
I know, man, you have to tell us you do it backward. So tough. Every day is the same, you know. This is what I do for a living. Don't hate on me if you don't have a skill. Why are you hating on me, man? I'm a loving person. Helpful, very loving, very caring, very understanding. And you're hating on me for what? This is what I do 7 days a week. I work hard, help people. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Plumber TV. Thank you for sharing. And please comment. Tell me you like what I do, man. Plumber TV.
This is something. I look at these Scotch bonnet signs.
This is van outside. Brand new van outside. And this is the after picture. Yes, plumber exterior. This is what I do for a living. Billy, what you catch when I say I finish when I say it? What you catch when I say I finish when I say it? Deva, see your husband here. One of your husband. Son, Billy. Jesus, no, take it down that. You have to take it. Billy.
Take it back down.
You don't see your dirty top, Billy. You have to take it down and wipe off in my out.
I'm a dirty top.
Billy, how you mean you dirty top?
Been around the world, I've seen a lot of hot stuff, but nothing beats the journey, not even the money. Bless my mind, I fell in love with all the heart. I paid my world's a part of my journey. You can't take it from me.
I ain't not finished one side yet. Finish what you're doing so first where you catch on some of my youth. Finish one side first, you cannot run from one corner to the next. You're not go done. That's what I have to go through, man. When you do something, you have to finish one side first before you jump on the next. Otherwise, you're not done. So you see you're going to come mash up it. Yeah. This is what I have to go through every day, man. 7 days a week. This is what I go through.
Whoa, I love this so much!
Been around the world, I've seen a lot of hot stuff, but nothing beats the journey, not even the money. Bless my mind, I fell in love with all the heart. I paid my world's a part of my journey. You can't take it from me. My life, I'm in the driver's seat. Nobody can take my spot. Keep pushing, don't ever quit. Been dreaming right from the start. I get to write it. It's my movie, I'm the one who decides it. Those nights when I have no light in the crib, young king still visualize it. Every day I choose who I want to be. Sometimes we break the rules cause we all got to be free. Got to protect it. It's my movie, I'm the one who directs it. Setbacks and gasoline for my jetpack. Bounce back every time, it's exciting. Been around the world, I've seen a lot of hot stuff, but nothing beats the journey, not even the money. Bless my mind, I fell in love with all the heart. I paid my world's a part of my journey. You can't take it from me.